So we just got our package from pixeldecals.com. We're doing new hood lettering and we're going to show you how to install them today. Alright guys, so we ordered new Rubicon lettering for our hood. We did matte black and gold. This is how they get shipped in a box like this. So let's just check out what's inside and we'll go from there. Alright, let's open it up, see what's inside. You receive your decals from pixeldecal.com. It will be one big decal, so you will have to cut it down to make it into two. All right, I just wanted to show you. So the centers are matte black, and then we have the bronze outline, kind of like the 392 coloring. All right, guys, so there is a few tools you will need. Not really tools, but things we need to do before we get this put on. Make sure you have yourself a decal spreader so you can get the decal on nice. Scissors so we can cut this into two decals. I like to measure the decal and find the center, so when we go out there I'll show you what I mean by that. So measuring tape. I use a dry erase marker to mark on my hood where the center is and kind of like 3/4 up so I can align the decal on there properly. And then I like to use rubbing alcohol just to clean the area before I stick it on. Alright, so first let's get this cut into two decals and then we'll go from there. Alright, now we got the decals cut into two. I'm left-handed, so I have my wife cut really close to the edge here. That way it's really easy to line up when you get it on the hood. All right, so just enough close look where we cut the line here so it's real close to the decal. And then we measured it from edge to edge and found our center. So when we go out there, we'll find the center of the hood and get it all lined up properly. All right, guys, let's head out to the garage and get this installed. All right, guys, so first step, I just like to clean the hood real quick with rubbing alcohol. All right, so the next step, we're gonna measure from end of the hood to right here by the latch and find our center. That way it matches up with the decal. We just found the center on that, and that way it lines up properly. So let's do that right now. So take your dry erase marker, and then I just measure 3/4 of the way up because that's how it is from factory, and just mark it off. That way you can get a nice line when you're lining up your decal. All right, so now we're ready to put the decal on. So we found our center on the decal. That's the center of our hood. And the reason we cut real close here is so we can line it up with the lines here. So when we put it on, it makes it nice and easy for us to find the center and straighten it. So as you notice, I'm pulling nice and tight back. I'm not like lifting it up and peeling it off. I just want to make sure the letters stay down and they're peeling off nice and tight. Because I don't want to lift the letters at all. So the nice part about using that dry erase marker, everything just rubs right off when you're done. You see it, just the lines there, just rub them right off. All right, guys, it went on pretty easy. It looks great. I recommend using pixeldecals.com. I'll leave a link to them in the description below so you can check it out. They do custom lettering too. They have a whole bunch of stuff for Jeep, so definitely check them out. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.